To avoid future payment blocks on Epic Games, it's important to follow certain best practices. This guide will help you understand the steps you can take to ensure smooth transactions. Step 1. Keep payment information updated. Regularly check and update your payment methods in your Epic Games account. Make sure your credit card or payment service details are current and valid. Step 2. Use a reliable payment method. Choose a payment method that is widely accepted and has a good reputation. Using a credit card or trusted payment service can reduce the chances of payment issues. Step 3. Monitor account activity. Keep an eye on your account for any unusual activity. If you notice any unauthorized transactions, report them immediately to Epic Games support. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Activate two-factor authentication on your Epic Games account. This adds an extra layer of security, making it less likely for your account to be compromised and your payments blocked. Step 5. Contact support for issues. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s/com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can help ensure that your transactions on Epic Games go smoothly and without interruption.